Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use roll-up summary fields in Salesforce. So if you want to automatically calculate the totals, counts or values from related records, this feature is super powerful. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So by the end of this video, you will learn what is a roll-up summary field in Salesforce, when we actually use it, how we can create this field step by step, and some real-time examples. So then first we need to understand what is roll-up summary field in Salesforce. A roll-up summary field is used to calculate the values from the child records. Means, for example, currently I have an account. So this account, I have a child records. What are the child records? I have a contact is my child record, opportunity is my child records, receipt is my child record. This is all we call it as child records. Means it is a related things. We need to calculate the values from the child records, then display in parent record. So that we call it as roll-up summary field. So for example, account is my object and it is a parent object. Child is my opportunity object. So what happened? I need to count the number of opportunity present in for this particular count record. We can also count the number of opportunities, sum of total amount, find the maximum minimum values. Before creating any roll-up summary field, we must have the master detail relationship with the two objects. One is parent object, second one is child object. The parent object is account. For that account, we have a child object as opportunities. Then only we can create the roll-up summary field. So then how to create? For example, I need to calculate the total amount of this opportunities. Currently, it is have two opportunities record. I need to sum of these records values and need to show it account object. So then how to do that? First, we need to click on gear icon, click on edit object. So then we need to click on fields and relationships. Click on new. If the object doesn't have the master detail relationships, we are not able to select the roll-up summary. So currently, account object and opportunity have the master detail relationships. So that's why it is showing the roll-up. So if we click on that, click on next. In here, we need to give the field name. So I will give the field name like opportunity total, opportunity total amount. So then click on next. So this is the main thing. So we need to select the child object. So currently we have a child object like opportunities, entitlement, associate locations. But in related list, we have a contacts, opportunity, receipts, cases, partner, everything we have. But it's only showing three things: opportunity, entitlements, associated location. Because this only three object have the master detail with account. But this receipt and invoice have the only the lookup. If we have the lookup relationship, we are not able to create the roll up summary field. So that's why. So that's why I just select the opportunities. Then we have a multiple option like count. It will count the number of opportunities present in particular account object record. So if you click on sum, it will sum the values. Values means which field. So in here it will sum the amount. It will sum the expected revenue. It will sum the probability. It will sum the quantity. Means so if you click on sum, we need to select the amount. Which field we need to sum like that. If you click on minimum, it will show the minimum value. If you click on maximum, it will show the maximum amount present in that list of opportunities, particular account record. So I will go with sum. I need to sum the amount. I select field to aggregate is amount. So then also we can select the filter conditions. If you need to add any particular condition, you just click on that. In here, you need to select the field name. So I will select like stage equal. So I will like closed one. So I need to sum the all the amount which is the stage is closed one like that. So then I will click on next. Then make it visible. Click on next. Click on next. Save. So now that roll up summary field is created successfully. So then how actually it works? So you just go back to your account record, just refresh once, go to details. You can see opportunity total amount is something like 4523445 like that. So for example, we can calculate this amount also. So it will showing something like 4523445. 4523445. Now the calculation is working properly. If it is new opportunity is created again, it will automatically update the value based on the new value. If it is deleted, for example, if I click on this one, if I delete, so based on the current value, automatically this parent record will be updated. You can see currently I have a 23445. Currently it is 233345. So that is for today. Now you know exactly how to create roll up summary field in Salesforce. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.